Namaste. Today's topic in marketing management is customer marketing and customer behavior. Customer market are the market of product and services which are purchased by individual or household for their own consumption. The mental and social process to make purchase decision are called customer behavior. For marketer, it is essential to understand the need of a customer and it helps a company to develop the marketing strategies which is advanced over competitors who have not identified these needs. When a firm wants to expand to new country, it is necessary that it recognizes the different factors that can influence whether a customer is interested in a product or not. The customer buying process is divided into 5 steps: need recognition, information research, evaluation of alternative purchases, and post purchase behavior. Need recognition is the perceiving of the unfulfilled desire. So, marketing helps customer to recognize the balance between present status and preferred state. Then customers start information search by recalling their memories or using external sources such as internet, TV, newspaper, friends, etc. After having acquired some alternative, customers compare the value and the contribute of products so that finally they come to the decision to purchase the most attractive option they have. At this step, marketing determines which contributes are the most important in influencing a customer's choice. The final step is post purchases, at which the customers compare the experience of using the product to their expectation of the product's performance or they do future purchases of that product or not. So these are the customer behavior or steps. First, problem or need, information search, evaluate purchase opinion, then purchase decision. Next are factor in decision making. Decision making is a process depend on many factors which vary from person to person and also from region to region. Customers are living in a society which follow its own culture and values. Personal preference against change with age, lifestyle, income, and psychological features. First is culture influences. Culture factors have the broadest and deepest influences on customer buying behavior. Culture as a shaping process. For a culture to exist, members of a group or society share a distinct way of life with common values, attitude, and behaviors that are transmitted over time in a gradual and dynamic process. Culture is passed on from one generation to another generation and already has a large impact on children as they grow up. People growing up in an individualistic culture may hold different values and needs that people who lives in a collective culture. Somewhere individualist culture focus on achieving personal goal, while collectivistic culture center on family and group well-being. However, culture value can change over time and have to be watched by the marketers. Simply ignoring culture factor can be cost for firm. Social influences. Customer buying behavior are clearly affected by social influences such as reference group, family members, and social classes. Reference group are groups which have influence on one's value, opinion, attitude, and behavior pattern. They are divided into different forms like inspiration reference group. It is a group of people against whom one tries to compare oneself. Many international firms have chosen celebrities as their spokesperson or performer in advertisements. Then associative reference group, the group to which one actually belongs, a group of friends, co-worker, clubs, etc. Individual in the group react well to the product linked to the appropriate associative reference group. Then associative reference group, the group to which one maintain a distance due to difference in value or behavior. The store brand name Gap succeed because many younger people wanted to dissociate from parents and other old pupils. Next is family influences. Family has the most influence on one's buying behavior, resulting from customer socialization, family lifestyle, family decision making. Customer socialization, family plays an essential part in this process. Although family members have acquired the skill, knowledge, and attitude necessary to their functioning as a customer in the marketplace. Family life cycle. Every individual has to go through a family life cycle. Each stage determines different purchasing behavior. Newly married couples show more interest in the traveling service, while the full nest household tend to be interested in quality and time saving products. Family decision making. There are two types. Spouse dominant. Spouse dominant means the decisions are made by wife or husband, or joint decision means both are responsible for making the decision in this. The next is psychological influence. The four key psychological factors which influence customer behaviors are motivation, perception, learning, and memories. So, motivation is a process that initiate, direct, and sustain goal-oriented behavior. A motivate can be defined as a drive to satisfy a need. So here we have completed and what uh, what is the customer behavior in the market, and also then its factor which influencing the customer behavior in the market. So for any query you can comment below. Thank you.